Hi friends! Welcome to Singable Words, where we sing, learn, and have fun with new vocabulary words. Today's word is lurch, and we're learning it on a rocking pirate ship. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and sing along as we stumble into learning. Ready to lurch with us? Let's go!
Singable Words. Lurch, lurch, we're on the move. Something like a silly groove. Bubble lift and stagger right. Our walks a funny and clumsy sight. The opposite of smooth and sleek. We're jerky as a rusty creek. When you're lurching, move so quick. A sudden jolt like a magic trick.
Let's learn more about our word lurch. Lurch means to move suddenly, clumsily, or in a jerky way, kind of like when you're walking and trip over nothing. Synonyms: stagger, jolt, stumble. Antonyms: glide, stroll, flow. Now let's use it in a sentence. The pirate lurched across the deck when the ship rocked to one side. Wanna hear a joke? Why don't puppies make good line leaders? Because they lurch every time they see a squirrel. Whether you're telling a story, writing something cool, or just chatting with a friend, you can use lurch or one of its friends to say exactly what you mean. It's time to go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.